Okay, that's actually pretty rough. Yeah. Woo. Whew, is that some sun I see trying to peek its way through? It opens up. It's pretty nice, actually. That's fun. That's a fun little spot. You gotta bounce a little left and right, but it is worth it. That is a very fun little spot. I can see that. I'm in first gear, just letting her coast. Holy shit, yeah, you ain't lying. Yeah, I'm creeping. Even though it's wet, it's a lot easier to ride on these when it is not so hot outside, which is a beautiful thing. So far it's pretty cool though. I like riding through these little streams and stuff. This is pretty cool. Last year we went swimming in a water hole. And this should take us right down to that spot. That's the Monday Creek trailhead, I believe. And we got told that there's some pretty good food for lunch that way. So we're gonna be on the hunt for that too. If I remember this spot correctly that we're riding now, these were pretty good trails. Holy shit. Come on, second gear. I know you could pull through. Nope, nope. Oh boy, getting started on this is gonna be interesting. Oh, I'm getting it. Crawling. Yeah. Whew. Lost it going up that. Yeah, I was in second gear and it just didn't have enough oomph, so as soon as I lost it, yep. Yeah, I gotta be in first for that. I lost it though. I had to hop a track over and it just, yeah. All right, on the right, you got it. Oh, okay, oh, Jesus. Whew. I don't know, man. I think if you hug the left, you'll be fine. I think I'm just gonna hug this part right here. Haha! My butt's wet! Whew. Yo, this might be a no-go, guys. Holy sh... Oh. Woo! That might be a slide the bike down for a rescue there, kiddos. Yeah, I know, right? Well, I have this center ridge that kind of helps me out. All right, I'm in gear. Oh, that's what I was afraid of. It's okay, clutch. I know. I'm not even on that brake, but I'm using my clutch, which is sliding that. You gotta be on your A game, dude, because I'm telling you right now, that rut, it was just spinning. I lost all traction. If we go crawling up the right side, I think we're good.
Well, you made it.
Yeah, but you better watch, because you're about to be in a real bad time, I think. Woo woo woo! All right, go up. At least get your bike up there. I'm gonna try to go up this section here, And then from there, we'll see. Not bad. Not bad. Little, yeah, up that is not bad. No, no, no. Honestly, just go right up where I just said. It's a little slick, but it's not bad at all. You're good. You're good. Stay in it. Stay in it. You're good. You're good. Beautiful. Beautiful. You did it. Now go all the way up. Go all the way up. You're good. Look at that track master doing work. That's definitely, I think, going to be my next tire to try out, guys. I really like the way the tire works. I want to do that hill section one more time. That was fun. Oh, so much better when I can cruise in third gear instead of second. I don't know why I hit that in second the last time. This little line is fun though. Oh, hey. They're saying something up here looks sketchy, and I don't know what it's gonna be. That wasn't bad. Woohoo! Soup City down here, huh? Coming down that hill. I know. Huh. That might be it. I see it. I'm right behind you. Yeah, this is. If you take that one right there, it's Rut City. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that way. A hill, apparently. Oh, yeah. Ah, is it sketchy? Oh, no. It looks sketchy from the top, but it's not so bad. Yeah. Yeah, you can float right into that berm, too. That's kind of nice. Nice. Ah. Kyle just banged like 3 gears, so. I see where you opened it up. That's nice. Because this is a really scenic area. Yeah. Wow, this really drops off down there, huh? Yeah, I think I saw it. I got a glimpse of you last second, but yeah, I think so. Yeah, you just gotta just hit the throttle, lean back, and let her float. That's all. Yeah, look at this. This is really cool down here. It's like it's a pretty decent drop off there. On both. Yeah, on the left-hand side. It's wow, that's actually pretty deep over here. That's a nice berm. Whew, it's a little deep there. This is the climb. Let me know how it is. Alright. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yep. Yep. I'm pulling a Pauline tractor right now, low RPM, first gear, just cruising. It's slick, Kyle, but manageable, definitely. Just definitely right is the play. I did right the whole way up. That was actually a pretty fun climb. If that was dry, that'd be it. Looks like a side-by-side quad or something just came through here. I'm down. Woo! Woo! I'm good, but I'm just really wet. Dude, I don't know. Woo! Woo! That hurt, but we're good. No, dude, I don't know. Look. Yeah. Wow. I got whiplash too, pretty bad. I wasn't even doing anything crazy. I was just riding, dude. Yeah. Oh, now that just pops right back in. We can get that. Yeah. Yeah. What the f is this though? Oh, my phone. Wow, my phone actually came off. I broke the mount. Good thing it's waterproof. That was a hell of a ride, bro. I don't know what that looks like on camera. I don't even know how I lost that. I gotta watch the footage back. And that right there, Kleiss.
That's my car. Look, ready?
Yeah.
I barely have any pressure.
You must have came up and.
That's like the perfect route, I guess.
I don't know, man. I was just cruising right here, and it just took me.
I know what it was. It's that wrapper right there that fucked me up.
Oh, this is what it was. Damn.
That banana peel on the trail.
Dude, all I know is Oh, dude, I went down. I did a full 180, bro. Yeah, well, the first thing I scream is I'm down, just so you guys all slow up. So I knew you guys could all hear me. Kyle, did you bring any Allen keys?
I did not.
You did not. Okay. This grommet's been broken, but now I just gotta... Got it. Okay. That's it.
The muddy water out there.
Oh, my brake lever!
Terry!
Dude! I just put it on!
Oh, shit.
Son of a bitch! You got a screwdriver on you?
I have a screwdriver and a pair of pliers on me.
Yeah, let's try that. I think. Let me see if she'll even... I'm worried about snapping that weld right there is what I'm worried about, and then I have no rear brake. See, it's getting there. Well, yeah, because right now it's just flexing your screwdriver more.
Got like 3 settings.
I know. So I'm trying to use the bigger setting.
Oh, that's good. Better.
Definitely better.
Yeah, pliers.
Good thing I had reminded you to get their shoes gone.
That's probably perfect.
You got a pair of pliers and a hammer.
Yeah, that'll work.
As the pliers
So she's good to go for another 12 months. Woo! Well, we are wet now today, boys. Oh yeah, we are wet. Feeling a little moist, yeah? Yeah, just a little moist. Damn bushes. Why do I pick the side with the bushes? I'm not sweating anymore because I laid in an ice cold mud puddle. So that's one positive thing. Whew. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of vehicles down here. Oh, someone actually put a legit rope swing in now. Looks like it. Oh yeah. That water looks good, man. Wow, the trees are all different. Wow. Yeah, that tree's gone now. Yeah, dude, that's some good swimming right there. That's some like prime swimming right there. Yeah, dude. There used to be on the left-hand side, there used to be a huge tree that came up and over. I think that's what's laying there, and we used to jump off of it. But no, that's like really nice swimming right there.